freaky. Me nah go freak it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Adiasam, what is wrong with you? Adiasam.
Mama run here, you are not
me bufu.
I mean your allegation.
Who ya why allegation? I'm found home. Me see I'm found home, brony da form. Brony da form na what did you do? What did you do? What did you do? You had to stab me in the back. What did you do? Wouldn't pass on never pass. Send I wouldn't. Everything is written all over you. Wouldn't send me back him.
Oh, ma'am, scan and I say,
me mouse crank, you friend me. Me nip I am from me.
Mama, I'm aware you. And
tell me back him.
When Jack back him, maybe chop.
Me mouth be crank, I'm here. Me a dear.
Some by a mamma running in
running Ben on my running Ben on my
share. I'm 2000.
I'll run and pen him grassio. Me Picasso be able to me cross and me to or be I am. Tell me back. Put my hand to a bag.
And I'm mammy 2000.
Me need 2000 and then me 2000 or time demo.
Tell me back him.
Young man, hello.
Hello,
excuse me, young man. Young man. Hello. Excuse me,
young man, dear baby. And so, ever so problem.
Easy. Madam, just what?
I'm 2000 money. Or the Macau.
Is that the best way to go about it?
No, it has been so long. Massa, Massa.
And then I say, meet me deal with you.
You can play with me.
I'm a very decent girl. Excuse me. I'm a very decent girl. Don't provoke me now. Don't provoke me. No, seriously. I don't like what he's doing. What is wrong with you?
Relax. Just give her time.
No, we give her matter.
So that's not the best way to go.
When you give her matter.
Tell him. Tell him.
My yaman area sell the Michelle.
So you want
No, wait. Just relax. Oh, they're for the back. Relax for the lady. You have to respect.
Relax for the way.
No, listen. Just give the back to her. Yes.
So you solve my problem.
I will solve your problem.
You are ready to solve my problem.
I will do that.
I am lucky. Kawankasa.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Let's go. Solve my problem.
Thank you. I'll solve your problem. Just relax. Okay.
Not be relaxed matter. You say you solve the problem.
So solve the problem. My friend, go pack yourself somewhere. Go pack yourself somewhere.
Hey, Abrante, now who solve the problem? I say who so about
me your bow. Yeah,
relax. The safety is more important to me.
Relax for the way.
Now feel say when you wrong. Now feel say when you
watch
me. This is Nana. Watch me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
What problem?
My 2000.
This is the problem I'm trying to solve. Where your problem, I may solve it. Thank you very much. Okay. Jesus.
You are just
What's wrong? What is the problem?
You are problem. You are I go some. I tell you do all right now. You go see. You go pay my money.
I go pay your money. I will solve your problem.
Something like they take the chance once. You take only 1 second.
What's wrong with you, young man? Are you crazy? Are you crazy?
I'm crazy.
I said I will solve your problem for you.
Whoever find them, I'm crazy.
Let me just get in the car, okay?
Don't get it.
Listen, young man, you don't treat me like that. You understand? You don't treat me like that. Make your man. Just relax. Listen, just relax. What's wrong? Are you? Oh God.
Check.
Just sit in the car.
Master, man, try. Check.
I said get up.
Say I am well. Maybe I'm not far more found. Or the way over you. I know say. My business be a be a share. Oh, I did maybe did kakra. Oh, who the second spot at Jeff himself. Sunny see head. Trabema TV. What are you trying? I send a glass of black. I got a send me. I tell you on fire. I stand with you for one of those yes.
So sweet, your body look good and you look so clean. You're not jumping nobody, you're not jumping with these. And this from me love and this from me teeth. Me not jump the body, me not jump the teeth. And this from me want and me not jump with it. Baby, your body look goody goody and your legs goody goody. You're just goody goody, me love the body goody. That's what they tell them, say you are goody. Me not body, me not take nobody. Tell me mama say me for a new girl. Tell me mama say me for a new girl. Your body look good and me sure fi talk to you. That's what it is, girl. Me no joke with the body and fresh, girl. Hey, that's what it is, girl. Me no joke with the body and fresh, girl. Hey, me tell me mama say me find you. Me tell me mama say me find you, me find you. And I go jump and me find you, find you. Body look good and me find you. Tell them say me not gonna live like you. Hey, with the body look clean, attitude good and the body look clean. Me joke figure teeth and me joke figure these. Hey, that's why my friends hate you, but your body look good.
Eja Ferry. Once I am my woman, I some Hey, Eja Ferry, I want to see that you are you. I want to see your woman. Palm over soon over Paul Castle. Mimi, I want it. Hey, Hemi. Eja Ferry, you know how try me. What is Yankasa? Woman, no better if you have power, try me. Thank you.
Oh, God.
First of all, I must say I'm so sorry. I apologize for what happened. I'm so sorry.
Don't worry about it. I'm just wondering what was happening back then, and
well, it's a long story actually, but your friend Nanama. Yeah, my name is Nanama, and
is it though? Nice one there. I like the name too.
And because of what happened to Miss Timmy Saudi.
Hi. Alright, thank you. How you doing?
I'm fine.
It's Benizi, and I am a choice. Definitely my kind. Well, number 1, 2, 3. Number 5, beef sauce and French fries.
Yeah.
A bit of Hawaii radio.
I already.
Baby?
Okay, yeah. And it's same.
You sure?
Yeah, same.
Make it 2 then. Thank you very much. Okay.
Well, so, as I was saying, Miss Membi Saudi.
Sorry about that. By the way, we're from Edike.
Oh, really?
Yeah, from Takoradi. Why, is it funny?
Oh, no, it's a nice name.
I see, all right.
All right.
Me a pilot.
Oh, really?
Me local flights and international. Baba Kumasi, Takoradi, Tamale, and of course outside Ghana.
Oh, really?
Cotonou, Nigeria, South Africa, and the rest of West Africa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, good to know. You're a pilot.
Yeah, sure.
Wow.
A tedious job, but I gladly do it. I love it.
And I'm sorry to ask, are you married?
Am I married? Now, I should first ask about what was happening there.
They see and they actually and your problem well, actually, guy now she I don't know.
Yeah, that young man.
Yeah, or catch him and say, oh, Brony be a Bagana, so when you're African girl.
He's a pimp.
I can't really say. Yeah, and see, also here African girl, and obe farm say, oh, you go home Brony no, na near my chimney and to me Kushia Brony no.
Also, gladly that I read the
Oh, I just wanted to, try my way. Well, ain't he? Got to a time, you go home Brony no, you could do me. I'm a best friend. My best friend, Eshe Brunin in Cheng. Yeah, I met them together. I'm like, Matthias here. Hey, Timmy Kopisa guy and say, I didn't see because Obi also the make my Brony dear. I didn't see now. Me Pebronia. Oh, so me a very decent girl. Me a very peaceful. I mean Penny Massa. and I don't do such.
Maybe.
Seriously. Because it's not part of me.
Really?
What I say, yeah.
So I guess
that was what you meant. You know, say me the nekabio say me man is kebi na or share me bag ma or ye gidi no. I didn't like that. Since na me.
Well, then I hope
so that's the story.
It ends there. Because
oh yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. I mean your money. No. I won't go back to them.
I'm glad to hear that. And maybe someday be a Mawara. Well, the answer is definitely no, because me a single at the moment. Major man.
Single?
Yeah, sure.
Wow.
Yeah, single. Major man timing, you know, so I don't really have time to have fun, but I mean, meeting you has kind of ignited something in me.
Oh, I'm so surprised. Pilots like you.
Yeah, sure. I mean, we travel the world, but
I didn't know that. Wow, yeah, sure. I'm surprised.
Yeah, don't be.
Anyways, good news.
Yes. Hey.
Hello. Mahai.
Yeah, Mejoso.
Napume.
Ayo.
Bao chekakra.
Sao? We be out there. Oh, you dey nya na yeni komo kakra.
Yo. How's the way you wa chekakra? Na makoto toto. Ne me bia sombo. Be dey bro. We ayo bapa watch. So your bapa penti. No matter bapa watch bro. What the boy your all hanuma. Enye ba. We Obapa come beef. Bia. We be na me face bia be di do kon bia. No watchi mako. Twedi no ye je na yakese akese. We see Obapa we ye duane a wo di be sen wanim kama. Se be ya engo ani anwa ne ne ma ense wo. Never won't be. You must be brave. What's it? Obapa cap. I'm saying, my mom.
I'm be paying.
I mean, say, A be a damn mad, not say. Timas out of it. They said, you won't be brave. No, the upper.
You made us if I you oh, try me anyway, I'm about the try me.
Tell me about call.
Oh, try me, why?
That's right. That's right. We just then come. You see you baby and uncle baby. I could tell me for me. Oba you said the yisika yet what DNA. What? A man so day. You be a sombre. This is your fact.
Ebufusem ashigo gwankrofo tua husika kromu nyanwe abosum promo din omokom ema omugusire kura omohwa na omania abosum no omania san fira kan wo ba be pafe mimi dware aba be tetem na wo Ghana mra ba mu se oba dware aba ma wo ho kwan so okotetem na ni no de hwe ye no obetua hoka sama wonimi sole ya na aba be tetubi sane ya tetubi yire Shirani nyansa pa Jimmy no otifia na o Jimmy na onye obi anka nche ni se jaferie wani mra fom na wo Jimmy na mfra na ni kura anya nyamia omode me kwa mebi so omo se na mo nti oba be ma betete oba ye o yire ni me na obi betete mi anti kebe yode Shimegu ni kura me ko ni ya nkasa